The seated resistance band tibialis raise is an effective exercise to strengthen the tibialis anterior muscle on the front of your shin, which plays a crucial role in improving ankle stability and preventing shin splints. Here's how to do it correctly. Loop the resistance band around a sturdy object in front of you, such as a cable machine. Sit on the floor, then place the other end of the resistance band around the top part of one foot, ensuring the band is secure and won't slip. Move away from the anchor point so the resistance band is tight. Sit up straight with your hands pressed into the floor slightly behind your body. Bend the free leg to press your foot into the floor while keeping the working leg extended. Flex your ankle to bring your toes towards your shin while keeping your heel on the floor. This movement is called dorsiflexion. Continue to flex as you feel the contraction in the tibialis anterior muscle along the front of your shin. Hold for a brief moment, ensuring you are maintaining tension in the resistance band. Slowly point your toes away from you while keeping your heel on the floor. Ensure each rep is performed with controlled motion, avoiding any jerking or rapid movements. Repeat all the reps on one leg, then switch legs and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.